Hello ladies, welcome back to Much More Than Beauty. So in today's video, I wanted to share with you all my favorite deep conditioner that I've been using for like over a year now, and it's really been helping bring my hair back to life, especially since I had some heat damage for now a couple years that I've been dealing with. This product has really saved my curls. So if you're interested in seeing my deep conditioner routine, keep watching. First, I'm gonna start off with freshly washed hair. Make sure there's no product buildup or any residue in my hair. And now I'm gonna be using the best conditioner that I've come across, which is Curl's Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. And I just love this formula because it's nice and thick, and when you apply it, it just instantly softens your hair and it just blends in and really penetrates my hair. So I'm just going to continue to take some of the product and evenly distribute it all throughout my hair from the ends to the roots, and making sure to saturate my hair with the deep conditioner. The blueberry extract in this hair mask, it just smells so amazing. It's really refreshing. Alright, so after making sure that I applied enough conditioner, I like to massage my scalp, make sure that it gets in there really good. And so then I like to detangle my hair with the conditioner in it. Because this conditioner makes my hair instantly so soft, it really helps with detangling my hair. So I definitely recommend to detangle while the conditioner is in your hair. I'm using the Felicia Leatherwood detangler brush because it just really makes detangling for my hair type so much easier, so smooth, and it doesn't rip out my hair. So after detangling it, this conditioner just left my hair so soft that I can run my fingers through it. That's how I know I have no knots or tangles left in it. And now I'm bringing up my hair up into a loose bun so that I can put the cap on it. First, I'm using a regular plastic shower cap, and then I'm going to be putting on Thermal Hair Care's Hot Head cap. And this is a cap that you can actually microwave, and it gets really nice and warm. And you just put it over your head, over the plastic cap, and this really helps with just making sure that the product penetrates your hair. Alright, so after a good 30 minutes, you can go ahead and remove the cap, let your hair down, and get ready to rinse out the product. So after rinsing my hair, I towel dried it a little bit just to get it ready for styling, but just instantly I can tell the difference. My hair is so nourished, it looks defined, and I just really love how soft and hydrated it is. So now this is my hair wet, and then this is my hair dry. You guys, I am always impressed after using this deep conditioner. I've used so many deep conditioners, and this is literally the only one that gives me this instant result. So if you ladies want to check it out, you can check out curls.biz. And if you have any questions or concerns, leave the comments below. Bye!